Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA. This is a dream within reach. The sporty styling and performance, however, mean you'll leave a lot of people in the dust. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, auto shift manual transmission, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, voice activated climate controls, smart device remote engine start, and LED low and high beam headlights. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.